Assalamualaikum student. Today we are going to perform chemistry practical in organic preparation. The aim of this experiment is to prepare a pure sample of potash alum. Potash alum is a double salt of potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate. It has a formula K2SO4 Al2SO4 tries 24 mole of H2O. Apparatus required in this experiment are tong, one spatula, glass rod, pair of beaker, watch glass, china dish, funnel, tripod stand, wire gauze. Chemical required in this experiment are potassium sulfate, aluminium sulfate, distilled water, dilute H2SO4. Let's start the procedure. First we have to weigh 1.0 gram of potassium sulfate. Then we will weigh 4.0 gram of aluminium sulfate. We take first watch glass and weigh it the chemical. First this is the aluminium sulfate. I already weighed it, and this is the potassium sulfate 1 gram, and this is 4.0 gram. Take a dry beaker and add both the salt. This is the potassium sulfate and this is the aluminium sulfate. We have to pour it into this beaker like this and add distilled water little bit. After added aluminium sulfate, we have to add also potassium sulfate like this. After adding both this salt, we have to add 2 to 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. Add this solution in this beaker, which is contain potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate. Stir this solution with the help of dropper like this. Now move for the next step. Take a small beaker or add 20 ml of distilled water. First ml of distilled water. With the help of measuring cylinder, pour into the clean beaker like this. Now after adding 20 ml distilled water, boil this solution for about 2 to 3 minutes over the burner. This boiled solution pour into the first beaker, which contains salt, and stir the solution gently. Like this. After adding distilled water in it, we have to stir it with the help of rod until all particles of salt will be dissolved. Now you can clearly see this. All particles of the salt is completely dissolved. After complete dissolution of salt, now filter this solution into a china dish using the funnel and filter paper like this. Now you can observe after filtration, insoluble impurities are left behind on filter paper. After filters this solution, now heat this solution in a china dish over the burner and stir the solution continuously with the help of glass rod until when the volume of solution reduces to about 1/2 its original volume. Like this. Cool the hot solution naturally. You will observe that soon the crystal of potash alum will separate it out. Sometime you observe that the crystal is formed. Now filter this crystal like this. After filter this solution, dry it naturally. After dry this crystal, we observe that color of potash alum crystal is colorless. The shape of this crystal is octahedral and the yield of this crystal is 5.43 gram. Theory behind this experiment: an equimolar of potassium sulfate and hydrate aluminium sulfate were dissolved in acidified water, octahedral crystal or double salt are obtained.